Okay. Okay, you want me to show you
Wait,
how?
we were putting nothing but myself.
Barb, do you want to take Jason down?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
It's over there in the hall.
Okay. Okay, this is how you do it, right?
Hey, is this my mask?
Oh, you want to put that on?
I do.
Alright, let me...
Wait, I gotta take my glasses off.
Okay. Okay, now here's what we do. We're going to shoot at that box right there, okay?
Uh-huh.
Here's what you do. I'm gonna show you up, okay?
Okay.
Go over there like this and go. And you go. You gotta be firm with it. And push all the way up. And shoot.
Ha ha!
That all the way up.
Where's the scope?
Whoa! What are you shooting the wall for? All the way up. You're not shooting the box. There you go.
What am I hitting?
Yeah, that's how you hit the box. Yeah.
Hey, I'm trying to hit that thing in the center. Whoops, it hit me there. Okay, now for the training drill. Safety for your gun. First of all, you must always wear a mask with a helmet so you can see out of it. Secondly, never remove the orange tips from your gun or you will be arrested. Never point the gun at the person taking the pictures because it makes them nervous. Place the gun firmly. Place the gun firmly against your shoulder and clean the thing back, push it all the way out, and shoot the box. Any questions? Do not shoot Van Tans, for he is a piano player. I'm getting better. Getting closer.
Yeah.
Much closer. Any questions? Call 815-4400, the Salvation Army, for Extreme Men's Fellowship.
Oh my goodness.